Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I will briefly talk about how income tax work in Japan. Unlike other countries, there are few differences in tax calculation in Japan. And before starting, this video was requested by one of my friend and subscriber, Vasu. So he had requested me to make video about taxes in Japan and cost of living in Japan. And in this video, I will particularly talk about how to calculate income tax in Japan. And I believe this video will give much more clarity for everyone regarding taxes in Japan. And also, there are a lot of misunderstanding about income tax in Japan, because a lot of people think that income tax is too much high in Japan. Yes, it's definitely high than in India, but is it really as expensive what we think? So now let's discuss about how tax system work in Japan. So let's see the tax bracket provided by National Tax Agency. So if you go to their website, you can find a table which represents how to find tax in Japan. So the first column is a taxable income, and the second column is the tax rate, and the third column is for the additional deductibles. So here's an interesting thing. Many people look to this chart and based on their salary, say maybe for example 6 million yen. So then they will determine that they comes under this third row, and they think that they have to pay 20% of tax. But there is a wrong understanding about how tax system work in Japan, because your taxable income is not equal to your entire income per month. So how do you calculate your taxable income and how much we need to pay as an income tax? So in order to make you understand easily, let's first find out how much will be your taxable income. From every individual salary, the taxable income would be calculated after deducting your salary income deductibles, your basic deductibles, and other deductibles. So that means the taxable income would be annual income minus salary income deductible minus your basic deductibles minus Chosei Kojo, what they call for adjustable deductibles. And now, how to calculate salary income deductible? So Japanese government is so kind, because for freelancers and business owners used to get expenses for items like food, transportation, and even sometimes they used to get rent if they're working at home. But for salary workers, they don't get most of those. So they come out with a salary income deductible for salary workers. So to know how much will be your salary income deductible, we can refer to the chart provided by the National Tax Agency of Japan. If you come to this chart, you can see, let's say you're earning like 6 million yen per year. So according to this table, 6 million yen, you comes under this fourth row. So 6 million yen into 20% plus 4,40,000 yen, which comes to 1.2 plus 4,40,000 yen, which comes to 1.64 million yen. So 1.64 million yen is your total salary income deductible. And now let's consider this basic deductible. So basic deductible for every workers would be 3,80,000 yen. And if you have a spouse or a dependent, then you will get an additional 3,80,000 yen. And if you have two dependents, then 2 into 3,80,000 yen. So your total deductibles will be by adding both salary income deductible plus basic deductibles. So that is 1.64 million yen plus 3,80,000 yen, that comes to 2.02 million yen. So now that we got the total deductible, with this let's calculate your taxable income. So as we saw earlier, taxable income equal to your total annual income minus salary income deductible minus your basic deductibles. So which comes to 6 million yen minus 2.02 million yen, which is your total deductible, that comes to 3.98 million yen. Now that we know how much will be our taxable income, so now let's go to the National Tax Agency website, and let's find how much will be your payable income tax. So as we saw earlier, payable income tax equal to taxable income into tax rate minus your additional deductibles. Since your taxable income is 3.98 million yen, you comes under this third row. So considering that, your payable income tax equal to 3.98 million yen into 20% minus 4,27,500 yen, which is your additional deductible, that comes to 3,68,500 yen. So 3,68,500 will be your tax per annum. So to find how much percentage income tax you pay every year, let's divide that with your total income, which is 3,68,500 divided by 6 million yen, which comes to 6.1% of tax. Now that you got how much is your tax percentage per year, so now let's consider another example. So this time let's consider an annual income as 3 million yen. So if your annual income is 3 million, then you comes under this third row. So salary income deductibles will be 3 million yen into 30% plus 80,000 yen. So which comes to 9,80,000 yen. And here as always your basic deductibles would be 3,80,000 yen. So that comes as a total deductible of 9,80,000 yen plus 3,80,000 yen, which comes to 1.36 million yen. So your taxable income would be 3 million minus 1.36 million yen, which comes to 1.64 million yen. So now let's calculate your payable income tax by the previous chart. So here in this case you comes under this first row, which is having 5% of tax without any additional deductibles. So your payable tax would be taxable income into tax rate minus additional deductibles, which is 1.64 million yen into 5%, that gives 82,000 yen. So here your annual income tax percentage would be 82,000 divided by 3 million yen, which comes to 2.7% of tax. So I hope now you got a clarity how income tax is calculated. With that said, let's recap what we had seen so far. So taxable income equal to annual income minus salary income deductible minus basic deductible minus adjustable deductibles. And your payable income tax would be taxable income into tax rate minus additional deductibles. Yeah, it is true to say that Japan is an expensive country to live in, with pretty much expensive health insurance, residence tax, pension, etc. So all these are the hidden costs that makes overall tax to be high in common. But as we discussed, income tax isn't that big amount. Yeah, I hope this gave a clear understanding how much income tax you have to pay in Japan. And with that, you can decide whether you want to move here and work here in Japan. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt or questions or concerns, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for everyone who had supported me so far and who had subscribed my channel. And also whoever haven't subscribed this channel yet, whenever you feel to do it, do it. Saying that, winding up this video, I will talk to you again on the next episode. Goodbye.